So now, let's start. First, you have the Arduino. Next, the breadboard. Drag the breadboard and the Arduino. Then, you have to drag the LCD 16:2. Next, you have to connect the Arduino to the breadboard. 2 connections. Then, the LCD 16:2 to the breadboard. 2 connections also. Next, drag the potentiometer to the breadboard and connect it to the LCD 16:2. The color green symbolizes the connection between the components. And then, next, drag the resistor and attach it into the breadboard. Then, connect it into the LCD 16:2. So now let's proceed to the coding. So now this is my final output or my final result of the video that I being constructed the running message using LCD and Arduino. So the message there was CTC318 microprocessor by Rodalyn Pocong. So that's all for today, and thank you for watching, and God bless.